Here we're going to talk about the 36 volt and 24 volt ATV and go over some of the quick aspects of setting them up. Let's get started. On this is the 36 volt ATV. The 24 volt will be the same. You'll find a red fuse block. Enclosed will be the fuses. Simply plug them in. It's normal for it to make an arcing sound when plugged in. Just firmly place it into the fuse block. Let's get that one more time. Out of the box, most likely you'll need to make minor adjustments to your brakes on your 24 or 36 volt ATVs. You'll find these adjustment screws on the front here and here. What these do is move the brake calipers and pads side to side on the rotor. Keep in mind, out of the package, I'm going to lift it up. This is a proper setup. You'll notice there's minor rubbing, but this is normal as this is a toy. To make adjustments, you simply screw the screws in and out, and it's recommended to set the ATV up on a box or a block with nothing obstructing the wheels to where you get less rub. I'm going to improperly set them up now so you can see the difference. What I've done is set the screw way out of alignment. And as you can see, there's a lot of friction on the front brakes. Simply make corrections. If you look down between, you'll notice the clearance between the pads and the rotor. Simply make these adjustments until you have it where you want it to be. Keep in mind, it's going to still rub a little bit. The idea is just to minimize friction for the wheel to free roll. They are going to ride on the rotor, and this is normal. In most cases, the rotor is so thin, it will be a little wobbly, but this does not hurt it. This is how it's set up. Okay, right here, this is what to expect when you unpack your ATV so you know everything is normal. Underneath, you'll find a heavy-duty steel frame, some painted different colors. You'll notice underneath and on the front bumper area, there's sometimes scratches. This is normal. It's part of the manufacturing process. We have to keep in mind this is a heavy metal item and weighs a lot and gets moved around during shipping. On most of our ATVs, you'll find that 4 screws go into 2 clamps on each side and then thread into the plate for the steering on the 4-wheeler. This is simple to set up. You simply loosen these to send the handlebars forwards or backwards. Such as the 24 volts, you'll find that they have a foot pedal. This is an optional item and up to you to take it off. If you decide you don't like the foot pedal because it has to be pressed down for the vehicle to go, you simply trace the wire going up and simply disconnect it. If you want to, you can simply take the 2 screws out and then remove the screws in the bottom and completely remove the foot pedal. Next, we're going to demonstrate how to show the different speed settings and for you to test the speed settings on your ATV. Keep in mind, some ATVs have more speeds. Check the website specifications to be sure. Turn the ATV on, have the speed setting key placed in. You may need help if you have not disconnected your foot pedal. Have somebody hold it for you. On this model, we've already disconnected the foot pedal to make it easy. Give it full throttle and switch from high to low to make sure you can see a difference. As you can see, as I flip the key on this one to the 2 speeds, The rear wheel sped up and slowed down. This means the speed setting is working correctly. Some models will have a safety reflector. It mounts on the tail like so. You'll use the backing nut and tighten it down. To charge the unit, you'll start by plugging the charger into the wall. Next, you'll take the end, notice the notch in it, and locate the charger on your unit. Some, it's on the back, some, it's on the front. Simply plug the charger in and leave the unit charging in the garage away from flammable material until the green light comes back on the charger. Now I'll demonstrate the red and green light on the charger. Now we're going to demonstrate the red and green light on the charger. Currently it's unplugged. I'm going to plug it in and the light will turn red. This means the charger has recognized that it's plugged into the vehicle and now charging. Wait 6 to 8 hours and the light will turn green, meaning it's ready to go.